Hello, 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 and welcome to T's World. So excited to be with you guys today. Today, I am actually reviewing and doing a wash and go on Alodia Hair Care, their wash and go styles kit. I am so excited to try this line. But before I do that, I'm going to talk a little bit about Alodia and the company itself. Alodia Hair Care is a company based on learning, loving, and growing your hair. All natural and all organic, this company is designed with you in mind to take care of your individual and unique curly and coily needs. And now, I would like to introduce the company's founder and mastermind of this wonderful company, Dr. Isfahan Chambers Harris. Like many of us who struggled with our own hair care journeys, Dr. Chambers Harris was even more adamant to create and cultivate a line dedicated to curly girl needs. What's even more of a bonus is that Dr. Chambers Harris used her clinical knowledge to further cultivate this line and to best treat our hair in the best way possible. I have had the pleasure of meeting with and speaking with Dr. Chambers Harris at Project Beauty Expo in New York City this past August. Not only was I sold by her wonderful and appealing array of products, but also her vast knowledge about hair care and her down-to-earth personality. I could not be even more excited and grateful to work with her and Alodia Hair Care to promote quality hair care at its finest. And also, for all my viewers, if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you will get a special discount code for Alodia's website to take care of all your coily, kinky, and curly needs. And now, without further delay, let's get on to the tutorial and review. The first product up to bat is the organic black soap hair wash featured with aloe vera, plantain, tea tree, and lavender oil. Next up is the Nourish and Hydrate Deep Conditioning Mask with silk amino acids, avocado, and peppermint oil. I am actually very excited to try this to see how it will really perform on my hair. Next up is the Nourish and Grow Healthy Hair and Scalp Oil with rosemary, cedarwood, and thyme. I'm going to use this twice, but you see what I mean. And finally, the Moisturize and Define Curling Cream Gel with safflower and jojoba oil. Alright guys, let's see how this turns out. Alright, so we are on to the organic black soap hair wash. And like I said, it has plenty of wonderful things in it, such as aloe vera, plantain, the whole nine. I started using this immediately and I can honestly say it smelled really good, and I noticed that it sudded up very easily, and that is really awesome for not having any additives such as sulfates or parabens, and it instantly detangled my hair. That I was very surprised. I normally don't get that with a lot of shampoos, but I will say this really did the trick for me and cut my wash time down in half. Alright, and we're getting that crown there. A little bit towards the front. But yeah, guys, I will just forewarn you and say a little goes a long way. Ah, feels so good. And look guys, I barely even touched about a quarter, not even half of the bottle. That's awesome. Now that I have rinsed that out, onto the deep conditioner. Yes, looks great, smells great. Infused with silk amino acids, avocado, and peppermint oil. So I'm going to apply the conditioner one way via the prayer hands motion, a technique that I have learned from a blogger, or a vlogger rather, and I am just going to put my hands together and smooth the conditioner down from root to end, and then I'm going to just do a simple raking of the fingers, through the conditioner here, And then I'm going to just let the curls shingle amongst themselves. And what I love about this conditioner, I get great slip, great shine. Catch me getting my groove on there. But I get great slip, great shine. I'm just blown away by how easily it detangled. That's why I'm making all those faces. And also, what I have to say is that it really cut that applying the conditioner time in half for me. And the curls are just really clumping amongst themselves. The definition is insane. I am so amazed by this conditioner. Shine, slip, definition. What more could you ask for? Look at me. I am so done over this conditioner. Like, you have no idea. Now it's going to be a deep conditioning staple. So you guys pretty much get the gist. Alright, I'm just going to keep on conditioning and you guys keep on watching. Now it is time to apply the oil with the conditioner. This is an optional step in the Alodia hair care wash and go system. You can infuse the oil in the conditioner to actually really enhance your deep conditioning experience. Or you can choose to leave this out if you prefer, but I chose to mix this in and actually it worked much better for me. But this is really up to you. So now it is time to actually go under the dryer, but I just gotta put my shower caps on. My hair is so thick and long, y'all. I need at least 3 of the little caps plus my extra thick shower cap that I got from Sally's. It was like $4, and that's going to be the last of my shower caps, but I need 3 or 4 for mine. Yes, y'all, it's that serious. All right, but I'm going under the dryer for 30, and I'm gonna see y'all in a bit. Alright guys, I am back again to rinse out the oil and conditioner. Actually, this really felt very good. My hair felt incredibly soft. And watch you guys, when I rinse this bad boy out, it's gonna feel really good. But I am shook over the definition. The oil really added to it. But guys, look. Oh my god. Girl, you need to get your life and get some of this oil and conditioner. This whole line is the bomb so far. I'm done already. Just, y'all, come on now. Just simply amazing. I only got through half my head. Girl, watch this. And it just was so easy to rinse out, no residue. Even from the shampoo, it just was so easy to wash out up into the conditioner, the oil, everything was easy to rinse out, but at the same time, it left a lasting effect on your head. Look at how my curls just clumped up, and I normally don't get that clump, especially in the middle. And don't worry, it's nothing in there, y'all. It's just some water beads. It looks like it's shampoo and soap, but it really isn't. But look, I'm gonna do a 360 and show y'all. Y'all, this line is the truth so far. I am loving it. Definitely a staple for tea. Okay. Now we're moving on to the curling cream gel and oil sealing. I did say I was gonna use the oil twice, remember? Well, we're actually going to dry the hair after you rinsed out the deep conditioner. And guys, the definition is insane still. Even after I dried a little bit, you can still see it. Yo, these products are not coming to play. Okay, I say so far it's giving these mainstream products a run for their money. So I'm going to go in with some water and some of that curling cream gel that I told you guys about before. This is really what I'm the most excited about because I need a great gel for a really nice wash and go. I believe that deep conditioning and a great gel is key to a solid wash and go. At least for me anyway. But I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections. I was going to do the crown alone, but since I was pressed for time, I was actually just going to do the 4 sections. It was just faster and easier to me. Alright, and I'm just spritzing my hair with water so the product can absorb better. I find that when I spritz my damp hair with water, not only does it save it from drying fast, but it actually really helps the product to absorb better. And I'm just going to section that hair off piece by piece. Take some of that gel. Just rake it through, and girl, instant definition. What? You see my face? Look. I'm telling you, when products make me dance, that makes me do the tea shuffle, y'all know it's the truth. Look at this. What? No, this is unreal. Like, just look. And the real test is the front and the middle for me. I swear, my hair does not define very easily in the front and the middle. But y'all, when I tell you it hooked me up in the front and the middle, I knew I was done. I was shook. And then, girl, watch. Look at this bounce back. Oh! Yeah, yes, T. Yes, it is real. Yes. Alright, and I'm going to repeat on all the 4 sections. I still can't believe it. Look at me. Look at my face in the entire video. And get used to it, y'all. I will make some faces when I am shook by a product. So you might as well capture all the tea faces while you possibly can. A little bit in the front. That's another test right there in the front. Then I'm just actually going to apply the oil, as I did for all 4 of the sections. Shake, shake, shake. And y'all, so far so good. It looks great. The hair is still damp, but we're actually going to let it dry. And I'm actually going to show you the results for 1 week. I'm sorry I did not get to do the first day, but I'm going to show you my update after 1 week and how the products had performed and held up. So let's get to it. Alright, so you can see my curls are still in lovely and in full effect. They looked great after a week. I was so amazed at how the products really came out. Y'all could see that my shrinkage is real. But y'all, I recommend these products to anybody. These products are the truth. But guys, that is it for the review and tutorial. I totally recommend these products, 5 out of 5 stars. I really want to send a special shout out and special thanks to Alodia Hair Care and Dr. Chambers Harris. Could not be more satisfied with the products, and I will proceed to tell everyone about it. And guys, here's my special discount code, Tiana10. Get 10% off your curly hair needs and everything else Alodia. And also keep on watching Tease World. I have more coming for you guys. And for more questions or inquiries, you can contact me or also contact Alodia via their email and social media networks. But until then, guys, this is Tease World. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful, wonderful day ahead of you. See you guys later, and see you in the comments. Bye now.